Yes, go, go, go mga kasmal. Tignan nyo naman, oh. To the nature, nakapag-jogging na tayo mga kasmal. At syempre, pagka day off natin, magpa-park-park din tayo mga kasmal. Tignan nyo ang lumigmig ng nature. Oh, go, go, go mga kasmal. Ito yung friendly Mama Miles. At syempre, meron tayong darling. Yes, mga kasmal, tinatawag na ako ng aking darling. Naku, gusto nyo makilala ang aking darling? Naku, makikilala nyo rin ang aking darling. Ayan. Yes, ayan, naglalakad tayo dito. Exercise tayo mga kasmile. O, diba? Yes, this is really good for our body. Ayun ang aking bagong darling. Say hi to the vlog. Please like and subscribe. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
And like and subscribe.
Let's stop on the lava, Mama.
Oh, ayan, diba? Oh.
Let's stop on lava, Mama.
Yes. So, diba? Yan ang ginagawa natin mga kasmile. Maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa park. Look at that. Ayan ang aking bagong darling, si Priel.
Look, I'm going through the bushes. Mama, I'm going through the bushes. Look, Mama, I'm going through the bushes.
Yes, mga kasmiles. Ang ganda-ganda rito mga kasmiles. Diba? At dahil rest day natin today, ayan na ang ating pa-OOTG. Na aking apo, kasama ko siya. Para kaming dalawa ay maglalaro dito sa playground. Yes, go, go, go. Look at that. Look at the beautiful place. Diba mga kasmile? Ang ganda-ganda niya, diba mga kasmile? At syempre, maglalaro yung apo ko. So, nag-ready na talaga ako mga kasmile. So, bonggang-bongga. Where are you? P. Diba mga kasmile? Tingnan niyo yung area na yan. Libre ang park na yan mga kasmile. See that thing there? See that? O, diba mga kasmile? Nature. O, diba? So, narito kami ng apo ko at kami dalawa ay nagbabanding.
I'm here. I'm here, Mama. There. Get up here. So, get up. Get up. I get up here, Mama. Get up. Get up here, Mama. Get up. Mama, catch my hand. Mama, catch. Look.
You cannot go sliding. You can go sliding. Come on, give me a try.
I get up here. Mama, get up here. Mama, get up here by myself. I'm ready, Mama. Whee!
See mga guys, ayun na, go, go, go with Mama Miles. At syempre ako naman ay magja-jogging-jogging. Habang binabantayan ko yung apo ko, jogging-jogging tayo. Yan, mga kasamail.
Shoes when we go sliding, Mama. I'll take off my shoes. Mama, I'll take off my shoes, Mama, after go sliding.
Yeah. Diba? Yan is fun, fun, fun with Mama Miles. Keep on loving and keep on praying to God because God is good all the time, mga kasumay. At syempre, mag-chillax-chillax ka rin, makipaglaro ka rin. Makipaglaro ka sa apo mo. Ayan, diba? It's so much fun here. Yes. God bless you all, mga kasumay. See the nature. God bless you. Keep on praying. God is good. And be inspired about life. At laging manalangin sa Panginoon. At kumain ng healthy food. Diba? Kailangan natin yan sa ating katawan. Mag-prepare. Ang dami namang kakainin natin na egg. Ang dami mura, gulay. Yan ang ating dapat kainin. At most of all, no, mga kasmile, dapat lang ang ating spiritual life ay talagang naka-angkla sa Panginoon. Upang patuloy na bibigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng kalakasan, no, diba? At maraming mga bagay nagpapasaya sa ating buhay. Una na dyan yung buhay tayo. At binibigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng kalakasan. Go, go, go with Mama Miles! God bless you all, mga kasamaw, and keep on praying because God is good all the time. God is good all the time. Please like and subscribe to Mama Miles at share nyo na rin ang ating video para happy naman si Mama Miles ng bayan. At syempre, dito kami sa park ng Rave. It's only in Rainforest at ito talagang aming jogging place at aming galaan ng aking darling, Priel. What will you tell to them? Hi to the vlog. Like and? Come on.
Go up here. I cannot go up, Mama.
Like and subscribe.
I'm not going up.
Oh, remove your sock so you can get up. Remove it. Sit down. Yeah, remove. Take it off.
I'll take off my socks after sliding. Mama, I take off my socks after sliding. I don't want sleeves. Oh, here you go, Mom.
Say like and subscribe. Oh, say.
Look, I can get up now. Oh,
Go with Mama Miles.